Planning to business trip to the China from M visa to Z visa and everything in between. This video is your ultimate guide to getting the Chinese business visa, whether you are expanding your business, attending meetings or exploring partnership. I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, let's understand the different types of the business visas you can apply for. One is the M visa, ideal for the short-term business trips. Z visa for those who are relocating to the China for the work. And third one is the business travel visa, perfect for attending the trade shows or some conferences. Each visa serves as a different purpose. Choosing the right one depends on the nature of your business activities in the China. Now here is what you need. A passport with at least 6 months of the validity, an invitation letter from the Chinese company, a complete visa application form, any additional document specific to your choose visa type. Stay tuned for the updated alert specifically for the nationals from the India, Pakistan and Bangladesh later into the video. The application process might seem complex, but I have broken it down into the simple steps. Number one is the online application. Visit the official visa application platform, fill out the required form and upload your document. Ensure all fields are accurate. Number two is the visa application center. Schedule an appointment, submit your document and provide biometric data. You will find these centers in the major cities across the South Asia. Number three is the processing time. Visa process typically takes 7 to 10 business days. However, delay can happen, so plan accordingly. Once your visa is approved, it's time to prepare for your trip. Here's what you need to know more. Business travel insurance. Ensure you are covered the unexpected events. Check out the providers specializing in the business travels. Currency exchange. Get your Chinese yuan before the travel. Avoid the unfavorable rates by using the trusted currency exchange services. Travel planning. Book flights and accommodation early. Familiarize yourself with local customs to make a great impression. Here is the latest trend with China's reopening in borders after post-pandemic. There has been a significant rise in the cross-border trade opportunities. Industries like the technology, textiles, and manufacturing are booming, making it an excellent time for the business from South Asia to collaborate with the Chinese counterparts. While you are in the China, maximize your opportunities, networking, attend industry events, and connect with the professionals through the platforms like the LinkedIn and local business associations. Business ethics, respect Chinese business culture. Always present your business card with the both hands and address senior members first. Visa extensions. If you need more time, apply for an extension before your visa expires. Know the eligibility criteria and required documentation. For South Asian nationals, there are tailored network events and business forums focusing on the China, India, Pakistan, China and Bangladesh, China trade relations, and don't miss out them. Let's address some common issues. Visa refusal is there. Common reasons include the incomplete documentation and inconsistencies. If your visa is denied, you can appeal by addressing these stated reasons and reapplying. Visa extension and renewals. Extensions are available for those meeting eligibility requirements. If your visa expires, the renewal process is straightforward but requires all original documentations. For South Asian nationals, specific requirements like the additional security clearance may apply. Ensure you check with the respective Chinese embassies in the India, Pakistan and Bangladesh for the latest updates. With this checklist and the latest trends, you are now ready to conquer your business goals in the China. If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more guides and share your questions in the comments below. Safe travels and successful ventures in the China.